Yeah. Talk about my Eastern Tramp right here, my bike
Fuck
pack.
yeah!
Shut the fuck up. Alright. I got the nitrous double shot back rim right here. Hub, spokes, shit rim. Yep. KMC, K710, chain in red, motherfuckers. You gotta have the Stone Class ring right here. Some Redline 180 cranks right there. Okay. The story behind the pedals. Alright, got one Odyssey twisted, but the left one fucking shaved off, so I have to be a bitch. So I have to put the shitty Haro one on. Right there, see that? White Haro one. Doesn't even fucking match my bike. Yep. Alright, now I got a what the fuck is it, Aaron?
Correlation?
Yeah, Correlation Seep. I peeled all the robot shit off.
Yep, and then he's got my Night Prowler, my fucking old ass post from like centuries ago.
Alright, and I got the new ODIO grips and bar ends. See that? I got them. Some FBM Big Apes bars. They fucking
28.
Yeah.
Fucking almost 30 of this shit.
Yeah.
Fucking
Eastern choker first them, I guess. Shit. Fucking stolen headset. Some Sunday morning forks. Nitrous single shot. Front rim. Fucking people say that the single wall front rim is fucking terrible, but I've been riding it for like 7 months now, and it hasn't warped yet. So yeah.
Completely.
And I got some Animal OG pegs, motherfuckers. Yeah, and some half tire action right there. No brakes. You gotta have no brakes.
I got the
GOH2.
Here's what it sounds like.
And yeah, that's what my rim sounds like. Fucking sick. Alright, peace, bitches.